in this space, I have gone to Aldi and I wanted to share some of that with you. I found this wooden planter. It's real small, looks big in the box, on the box front. It is 53 inches by 17.7 inches by 11.8. Here it is put together. Very cute. You can stain it. I don't have time, but so I'm just going to go ahead and get my planting done. It does come together pretty easy. Comes with a bag that actually has some holes in it, and I'm going to make those holes a little bit bigger so that things do not just sit in here, but that way things can drain a little bit easier. It gave me 4 holes on the sides. I'm going to just go ahead, put it bigger holes through it. And also, this is the inside. It has some slats at the bottom so that it could give some drainage. I'm not going to put anything vining this season. I'm going to actually use some orange begonias. Orange is one of my favorite flower colors. So let me just make that a little bit bigger. And then as I put the bag in, I'm actually going to cut it as I can. I'm going to add the dirt and the plants, and then I'll cut it. I also got the garden soil from Aldi. I'm not going to need very much because my plants are so big. These are my begonias that have been sitting in the shade waiting for me. So if you will, let me just give you a helpful tip. If you find some plants that are super cute, you want to add to your garden, but you also have to travel, put them in the shade like the garden center does. Keep them watered, have somebody watering them, or you watering them until you have a chance to go out and get your garden fixed up with your plants. And they will last a whole lot longer and look beautiful until they can get into the ground. And then we have a little bit, even some new growth here. So let me add some of the soil. It's not going to take very much because those plants are pretty big. We'll see how much I can get in here. Just to cover the bottom for the most part. And actually it looks like I have 4 begonias in this pot. You see, I have a plant here, but yep, it'll fit real nice. So let me put the little container inside, and then we'll fill it with dirt and save a spot. Oops. It will not take very much dirt at all. Okay, pack that in, and look inside. You can see I have 2 spots for the plants to just drop right in. Especially when the plants overflow like this. It's kind of tricky to pack dirt around them. Now you can leave the plastic if you like, or you can trim it off. Something for sure that's going to help with this, it's going to give me an easy way to dispose of these plants when I'm ready to put a climbing ivy, something like that. So check out your Aldi, see what they have. I got also 2 planters and some forsythia actual plants, and getting the bags of dirt, and it's real cheap. Follow for more.